The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 has been an icon for decades, but the latest version brings some exciting changes. Whether you're a die-hard Bullet fan or someone looking to buy their first classic motorcycle, this video is going to be packed with everything you need to know. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the design, features, performance, and whether this bike truly lives up to its legendary status. Stick around till the end because there are some surprises that might just change the way you look at this machine. Welcome to Drive Vibe, and let's dive right in. Starting with the design, the new Bullet 350 stays true to its heritage while refining some key elements. The silhouette remains unmistakable, that long, low stance with a muscular fuel tank and a thumping exhaust note that you can recognize from miles away. However, Royal Enfield has given the latest model subtle updates that make it look even more premium. The chrome detailing, pinstriping, and well-crafted metal components scream classic appeal. Unlike many modern bikes that overdo the styling, the Bullet 350 embraces minimalism with a purpose. The headlamp unit retains its vintage charm with a halogen setup that provides decent illumination. Some enthusiasts might have preferred in LED, but the warm glow of a halogen fits the character of the bike. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank is a masterpiece, not just in terms of aesthetics but also ergonomics. It offers a comfortable knee grip and carries the signature hand-painted pinstripes, adding a touch of craftsmanship. The side panels are simple yet effective, carrying the Royal Enfield logo with pride. Moving to the seat, Royal Enfield has ensured maximum comfort. The well-cushioned single-piece seat is designed for long rides, offering the right balance of firmness and support. The riding posture remains relaxed, with wide handlebars that make maneuvering through city streets and highways a breeze. The foot pegs are slightly forward set, ensuring a comfortable stance that doesn't tire you out even after hours of riding. Now let's talk about the heart of the Bullet 350, the engine. Powering this beast is a 349cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces around 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of torque. This engine is part of Royal Enfield's new J-Series platform, which means it's refined, smoother, and delivers a much better riding experience compared to its predecessors. One of the biggest improvements is the reduction in vibrations. Older Bullet models had a notorious reputation for excessive vibrations, especially at higher speeds. But with the latest update, the engine feels much more refined, making long-distance rides more enjoyable. The power delivery is linear, and while the bike isn't built for outright speed, it has ample torque to pull through city traffic and cruise comfortably on highways. The 5-speed gearbox is well-tuned, offering smooth shifts, and the gear ratios ensure you get the best balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Bullet 350 delivers an average mileage of around 35 to 40 km/L, which is quite respectable for a bike of this size and power. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear. The setup is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and potholes effortlessly. Whether you're riding on smooth tarmac or tackling rough rural roads, the Bullet 350 keeps things composed. The bike feels planted, thanks to its long wheelbase and stable chassis. Even at high speeds, there's a reassuring sense of stability that makes it a joy to ride. When it comes to braking, the Bullet 350 is equipped with a 300mm disc at the front and a 270mm disc at the rear, supported by single-channel ABS. While the braking performance is adequate, dual-channel ABS would have been a welcome addition, especially considering the bike's weight and cruising capabilities. That being said, the brakes do their job well, providing enough stopping power to handle emergency situations with confidence. One of the most defining aspects of any Royal Enfield is its exhaust note, and the Bullet 350 doesn't disappoint. The signature thump is still there, though slightly more refined compared to older models. It strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and modern compliance with noise regulations. If you love the classic Bullet sound, you'll appreciate what Royal Enfield has done with the new model. Technology-wise, the Bullet 350 remains simple yet effective. It features a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog speedometer and a small digital display for essential information like fuel level, trip meter, and odometer. There's no fancy TFT screen nor smartphone connectivity here, and honestly, that's part of the bike's charm. It keeps things pure and distraction-free, letting you focus on the ride rather than unnecessary tech gimmicks. Now, let's discuss the riding experience. The Bullet 350 isn't about breakneck speed or aggressive riding, it's about enjoying the journey. The torque-heavy engine ensures you have ample low-end grunt, making city commutes effortless. On highways, it can comfortably cruise at 80 to 90 km per hour without feeling stressed. Push beyond that, and you might start feeling a bit of strain, but this bike isn't built for high-speed runs. It's meant for relaxed, enjoyable rides where you can soak in the surroundings and enjoy every moment. Another great aspect of the Bullet 350 is its versatility. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, long-distance touring, or weekend getaways, it adapts well. The comfortable seating, smooth engine, and solid build quality make it a reliable companion for any type of ride. Plus, the extensive aftermarket support means you can customize it to your heart's content, whether it's adding saddlebags, crash guards, or even performance upgrades. In terms of competition, the Bullet 350 goes up against bikes like the Honda CB350 and the Jawa 42. While these rivals offer modern features and slightly sportier dynamics, the Bullet 350 wins in terms of legacy, road presence, and that unmatched emotional connect. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of history that carries a legacy spanning over 90 years. One of the biggest reasons why riders choose the Bullet 350 is its sheer road presence. No matter where you ride, this bike turns heads. The deep thump of the exhaust, the imposing stance, and the timeless design ensure that you never go unnoticed. It's a bike that commands respect on the road and one that connects deeply with its riders. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is priced competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. Given the build quality, performance, and overall experience it offers, the price tag is justified. Moreover, Royal Enfield's strong service network ensures that maintenance is hassle-free. Spare parts are easily available, and the brand has a loyal customer base that makes owning a Bullet a rewarding experience. To sum it up, the new Royal Enfield Bullet 350 stays true to its roots while embracing modern improvements. It offers better refinement, improved ride quality, and a design that remains as iconic as ever. If you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers timeless appeal, a relaxed and comfortable ride, and a sense of pride every time you hit the road, the Bullet 350 is an excellent choice. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience, the feeling, and the legacy that comes with it. Thank you for watching Drive Vibe. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth bike reviews and riding experiences. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Bullet 350 and if you're planning to get one. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.